report my topic about sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is a farming approach that balances current needs with future generations' well-being. It focuses on environmental health, economic profitability, and social equity, ensuring food and fiber production without compromising future generations' ability to meet their needs. This approach minimizes negative impacts and promotes long-term sustainable labor practices. Sustainable labor practices in agriculture encompass a set of ethical and responsible principles and actions that prioritize the well-being, rights, and development of agricultural workers while considering the long-term sustainability of the industry and its impact on the environment. Sustainable production practices. Sustainable production practices in agriculture refer to farming methods that aim to produce food, fiber, and other plant and animal products in a way that protects the environment, public health, human communities, and animal welfare. These practices are designed to be economically viable, environmentally sound, and socially responsible. Key components of sustainable production practices. In agriculture, crop rotation. Crop rotation helps to break pest cycles, improve soil fertility, and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Cover cropping. Cover crops help to prevent soil erosion, improve soil health, and organic farming. Organic farming avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically other organic farming. Water conservation. Water conservation techniques include drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and efficient water. Government support and policies. Government support and policies in agriculture are like the guiding hand of a wise mentor, helping farmers navigate the path toward sustainable and successful farming practices. They provide a framework of rules, incentives, and resources to encourage environmentally friendly and economically viable farming methods. Some components of government-supported policies in agriculture. Financial incentives. Government offering grants or subsidies to farmers who adopt sustainable practices. This can help offset the initial cost of implementing these practices and make them more accessible. Engagement with stakeholders. Engagement with stakeholders in sustainable agriculture is like a community gathering where everyone has a voice and a role to play in shaping a more sustainable food system. It's about bringing together farmers, consumers, researchers, policymakers, and other interested parties to collaborate, share knowledge, and build a better future for agriculture. Here are some key components of engagement with stakeholders. Dialogue and collaboration. A forum where farmers, consumers, researchers, and policymakers can come together to discuss challenges. Knowledge sharing. Think of workshops and conferences where farmers can learn about new sustainable practices and consumers can learn about the benefits of buying stakeholders. And last is policy advocacy. Stakeholders working together to advocate for policies that support sustainable agriculture. This can involve lobbying for financial initiatives, regulations, and research funding that promote sustainable practices. Thank you.